The Hyundai Accent flip key fob in 2018-2019 models uses a CR2032 battery. When the remote stops working or has intermittent function, replacing this battery is often the solution. You'll need a small flat tool, like a screwdriver or key fob opener. First, insert the tool into the small gap on the side of the fob near where the key blade hinges. Gently pry the case open. Be careful not to use too much force, which can crack the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its orientation. Positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation and snap the case back together until it clicks shut. Test the remote to ensure it is now working. If the key fob case won't open, it might be jammed with dirt or adhesive. Try soaking it in warm, soapy water for a few minutes, or use a plastic pry tool to avoid damage. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try reprogramming the fob by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position and pressing the lock-unlock buttons. For best results, replace your key fob battery every 12 to 18 months as a preventative measure. DIY replacement saves cost. Recycle your old batteries responsibly.